Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a WWE Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing. So I went to my local Walmart today and I found three brand new trucks from the WWE series, and I'm going to show them to you. So I got Braun Strowman, which was first released in like Canada and Australia. Now it's here in America. And then two brand new 2020 first editions. The Miz and my personal favorite, Jeff Hardy. So Jeff Hardy and The Miz, I believe I'm the first person on YouTube to review these. So yeah, but first we are going to start with Braun Strowman, since that was a truck we knew about from last year, but was delayed till 2020 to come out in America. Alright, so here is Braun Strowman fresh out of the package. And it's using the standard SUV tooling that many Hot Wheels monster trucks use. Yeah, so the only WWE trucks I'm missing are Sasha Banks, The Rock, Seth Rollins, and Triple H if it ever comes out in the US. So yeah, Braun Strowman is a really cool looking truck. I really love the camouflage and stuff on it. I believe Braun Strowman was a military veteran. Let me know in the comments below if he was, because I don't know much about WWE. Like the only ones I know are like The Rock and John Cena and Undertaker. Like, I'm just a monster truck collector, so I don't know much about WWE, so please don't judge me. But let's go into further graphic detail. So we got Braun Strowman's face on the top, his signature, it says Braun, and the WWE logo, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. You got the camouflage and some brown piece on the back, more camouflage on the side. It's got the brand new drive shaft. So they created a new mold for the drive shafts for the Hot Wheels monster trucks. So yeah, and it's got a 4-screen roll cage and these like mud or dirt colored like tan tires. Yes, or rims. So pretty cool. And then the next one we are going to look at is The Miz. Alright, so here is The Miz, fresh out of the package. This is a pretty interesting truck. I like the, I guess you could say it's like a orangish maroonish color. Pretty interesting. And I don't know if we've seen this color before on any of the monster trucks that Hot Wheels has made. So it's got some pretty interesting graphics. I really like that rim color choice that it has, the red with the yellow beadlocks. Yeah, so let's take a closer look. So, of course, it's got the new drive shaft, the rims I already pointed out, golden roll cage. You got some like just roof stripes on the top. On the hood, it says his signature moneymaker, and it says haters love me. So basically, I guess this guy is a celebrity. It says The Miz. You got some like stripes right there. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo, WWE logo. Something else right there. I can't tell what that is. Some kind of crown and the WWE or the WWE logo upside down to look like an M for The Miz. On the back, it's got like sunglasses and stuff, something like that, and same thing on this side. So the Sasha Banks truck, I don't have it yet, but it has the same exact glasses on that on the back. So I think the Miz and Sasha Banks like have some kind of like relationship. I could be wrong. Like I said, I don't know much about WWE, so yeah, so don't judge me. And then, last but not least, my personal favorite, Braun Strowman. Alright, so here is the infamous Jeff Hardy, and it's using the Chevy C10 body, with a glossy paint job. This truck is sick. I love it. So it's got black rims with white beadlocks. You got all the menacing face paint and tattoo graphics all around. So like what's on the side panels would be like his tattoos. And yeah. That says Jeff Hardy right there. Yeah, so a really cool truck. WWE Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo on the side. Same thing on this side. Here is the hood and the roof. Basically, that is supposed to be his face paint. Definitely really cool. There's the new drive shaft again. And the side panels are his tattoo sleeves. Yeah, what a cool truck. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite WWE truck so far. Even if I do get The Rock, Sasha Banks, and Seth Rollins, I think still this would be my number one favorite, because like this one, in my opinion, is like the most detailed of the ones they released. So yeah. Let's move that out of the way. Yeah, guys, so those are the 3 new monster trucks that I got today. These 3 trucks will make their sign-up series debut in sign-up series 21. The sign-ups video for that will be tomorrow, and I still have to get sign-up series 20 out of the way, so later today I will make that video. And yeah, guys, yeah, so that'll do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what your favorite of these 3 is your favorite, and yeah, till next time, take care.